Welcome back to Lightning Brains. Today, we're diving into the world of smart cleaning with our picks for the best robot vacuums. Whether you're tackling pet hair, dust, or everyday mess, these intelligent machines are designed to keep your floors spotless with minimal effort. From models with laser mapping and obstacle avoidance to those with self-emptying bins and powerful suction, there's a robot vacuum for every home and budget. In this video, we'll highlight the top-performing models based on cleaning efficiency, smart features, battery life, and value for money. You'll find links to all the featured vacuums in the description below. Let's get started and find the perfect robot helper for your home. Number 5. iRobot Roomba Combo J7 Plus. The Roomba Combo J7 Plus robot vacuum and mop is a revolutionary cleaning solution that seamlessly vacuums and mops your floors simultaneously. Powered by iRobot OS, this intelligent device combines a 4-stage cleaning system with an auto-retract mopping system to deliver thorough cleaning. The Precision Vision navigation system ensures it avoids obstacles and focuses on dirtier spots with Dirt Detect technology. With a self-emptying clean base and the ability to apply pressure when mopping, it delivers powerful and pristine cleaning results. The robot's intelligence grows with iRobot OS updates, and it can be customized for specific cleaning preferences by room. Its thoughtful design prevents wet carpet messes with the auto-retract mopping system and maintains shiny floors daily. With the ability to steer clear of obstacles and adapt to changing cleaning needs, the Roomba Combo J7 Plus is a hands-free cleaning solution that brings efficiency and convenience to your home. Number 4. Ecovacs Deebot X2 Omni. The Ecovacs Deebot X2 Omni Robot Vacuum Cleaner represents a leap forward in automated home cleaning. With an 8,000 Pascal suction power and Osmo Turbo 2.0 rotating mopping system, it delivers powerful and precise cleaning. The inclusion of the AIV 3D 2.0 and True Mapping 3.0 technologies enhances navigation, enabling accurate obstacle avoidance and path mapping. The Deebot X2 Omni boasts a unique hot water mopping feature, ensuring a consistently clean mopping pad. Its pet-friendly AI mode recognizes pets and recommends optimal cleaning solutions. With dual laser LiDAR, 3D mapping, and Eco 2.0 voice assistant, this intelligent cleaner offers an unprecedented interactive experience. The compact design, intelligent mop lifting, and hands-free Omni station make it efficient and convenient, while features like hot water mop washing and 3D mapping elevate the cleaning experience. The Deebot X2 Omni is a comprehensive cleaning solution that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design. Number 3. Samsung JetBot AI Plus. The Samsung JetBot AI Plus robot vacuum cleaner is a cutting-edge home cleaning solution equipped with advanced features for efficient and intelligent cleaning. With 3D object recognition and AI, it navigates spaces with precision, identifying objects to avoid. The clean station ensures a hygienic, no-touch dustbin emptying experience. LiDAR sensors provide accurate room mapping, enhancing navigation. The 5-layer filtration system traps 99.99% of microdust, contributing to a healthier environment. Live home monitoring allows real-time video streaming, and the intelligent power control adapts suction power based on surface type and dust levels. The SmartThings app facilitates remote control, scheduling, and monitoring, providing a seamless and user-friendly cleaning experience. The JetBot AI Plus is designed to handle various surfaces with its high-efficiency brush and jet cyclone technology, ensuring consistent and powerful suction. This intelligent robot vacuum offers convenience, cleanliness, and smart home integration for a hassle-free cleaning routine. Number 2. Dreametech L10S Ultra. The Dreametech L10S Ultra Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a cutting-edge solution for hands-free and efficient home cleaning. With advanced features like auto-empty, mop self-cleaning, AI-powered 3D navigation, and powerful 5,300 Pascal suction, it delivers impressive cleaning performance. The robot utilizes AI technology to map and clean your entire home intelligently, avoiding obstacles and ensuring thorough cleaning. The auto-empty system provides up to 60 days of automatic cleaning, and the mop cleaning function covers up to 200 square meters. The automatic mop washing feature keeps the mops clean and dry, preventing odor and bacterial growth. With customizable cleaning options through the app, voice command compatibility with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant, and TÜV SÜD cybersecurity certification, the Dreametech L10S Ultra offers a convenient, smart, and secure cleaning solution for your home. Number 1, iRobot Roomba Combo J9+. The iRobot Roomba Combo J9+ robot vacuum cleaner is a top-tier home cleaning solution, seamlessly integrating vacuuming and mopping capabilities for a comprehensive clean. This advanced robot, powered by iRobot OS, excels in dirt and dust pickup performance, featuring 3 suction power levels and automatic carpet boost for thorough cleaning on various surfaces. Smart Scrub technology ensures effective scrubbing, and the Dirt Detective prioritizes cleaning in the dirtiest rooms. The Clean Base Autofill dock facilitates up to 60 days of debris disposal and 30 days of liquid refill for an autonomous cleaning experience. With precision vision navigation, it recognizes and avoids obstacles while providing room mapping accuracy. The robot's thoughtful design, premium materials, and compatibility with voice assistants make it a powerful and user-friendly addition to any home. The Roomba Combo J9+ is an intelligent and efficient cleaning solution that adapts to your home's needs, providing a hands-free and powerful cleaning experience. So that's it for the best robot vacuum cleaners of this year. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive notifications of our latest videos. Thanks for watching.